So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's start the analysis by looking at the SGX first. So looking at the SGX, you can see that the market is showing a bit of a negative opening, right? So market is trading near 60 or 15,700 approximately, right? Now let's see the chart, the technical. Now looking at this level, we have seen that Nifty was, having a support around 15,700 or 800 as we have discussed. Market actually closed below around that level only. But if you see, there is a one good observation that we had here is that, you can see that market was falling, and with this gap down opening, when market has this gap down opening, the OI is actually decreasing. So with this much of short, if there is a, the unwinding is happening in the market. So that's kind of a, not a, huge short added on this day, right? Specifically. Now, if you see that here also, you can see that yesterday or day before yesterday, it was only unwinding, right? Okay. So why is not adding on, even on the market is going down? So that is not a level though. So if you see this, this is a very good support level. So might be market will make a bottom here around this level only. Now, if you see on a technical chart also, you have a divergence in the RSI chart also. Okay. So probably your market is trying to find bottom somewhere here near only. Okay. And if market break this level, the low of yesterday, probably that is 15,650, you can say. So market may slip further, right? Okay. If market hold this level, there might be a, market will be going to show you a good short covering here, right? Okay. Now, talking about the OI specifically here. Okay. So simply you can see that 15,800 would be working as an immediate resistance for me, right? Okay. And on the higher side, 16,000, 16,200 would be, other resistance that we may face. On the lower side, 15,500 is the level where we are looking for. That's the good support, right? Okay. So that's the thing. Now talking about the Bank Nifty. Okay, so on the lower side, you can simply go with 33,000 as a good support and 34,000 on the higher side. And we have seen a good dip coming up in the Bank Nifty OI. Okay. And as of now, we haven't seen any divergence in the, even in the RSI. So might be we can see the further slip in coming in Bank Nifty also. Okay. So that might be somewhere around 32,000. That would be a good level. Okay. Now let's see how market behaves after this. Okay. Checking the Bank Nifty OI is short, and yesterday we have an unwinding, right? Okay, specifically. Okay. So anyhow, for us, the support for Bank Nifty is 33,000. Okay, on the higher side, we can simply go with 34,000. If market breaks 33,000, we can simply look for 32,000 as a support on the downside, right? Okay, so that's the level. Okay, fine. So that's the view on both the indices. Now let's see. Okay, so yesterday majorly negative contributor is oil sector, and then we have private banks also. Okay, and on the positive side, you can see IT is adding, right? Okay, so IT is on the positive side. Rest we have a mixture. Okay, so that's the fine. Now let's find some stock. So we'll go for one bullish stock, right? So we'll go with 20. Okay, so Ashok Leyland looks good again. So if you see that not a single short has been created in Ashok Leyland till now, after like this month, since this month. So this looks good, and yesterday it shows a reversal here. So Ashok Leyland looks good. So Ashok Leyland is actually trading near its support level also. Okay, so that's a good cycle that we are seeing right now in the Ashok Leyland. It's completely long and unwinding, right? Okay. So and yesterday we have again long build up. So might be the stock moving up from this level, right? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. So that is the one thing. Now let's see the OI. So yes, the stock has taken a support around 130 level only. You can see that. Okay. So that is the put that we have. Okay. So probably good addition happened. So this is the OI for this 130 put. So that is a good support. Now if market breaks 135, it can move to 140 and 145 on the higher side. Okay. So with this 5 rupees stop loss, we can anticipate this 145 level in the coming weeks. So this is the view on this. So this stock looks positive on the high side, right? Okay. That's the first stop. OI data is suggesting that it looks positive. Okay. Now even we can check for DLF also. DLF also looks good here. So DLF is actually at the bottom. It's trading near its bottom of 300. Okay. Okay. So not a major short, but yes, long unwinding is still there. So might be the stock is creating something like double bottom pattern here, and good buying came yesterday on this from this low, right? Okay. So if you see market made a low of around 303, so which is near the highest put option only, right? If we see DLF. Okay, yes. So around it, this level only market took a reversal. So if market breaks now 320, we can anticipate the stock might move towards 340, 350 levels on the higher side. Okay. So we can approach this stock, or if we see any dip toward 310 again, we can look for a reversal and we can go for a buying in the stock. Okay. So this looks positive again. So these two stocks, DLF and Ashok Leyland, both are on the positive side, right? Okay. And we can simply move to the ban list, right? So now RBL Bank is in the ban list, India Pulse Housing Finance and Delta Corp. These three stocks are actually trading in the ban list right now. Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.